Understanding Valve Assembly, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a technical term, valve assembly. This might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding such terms not only helps in language learning but also expands your knowledge in different fields. Let's dive in. Before we understand valve assembly, it's important to know what a valve is. A valve is a mechanical device that controls the flow of liquid or gas in a system. Think of it like a tap that controls water in your home. Valves can start, stop, or regulate the flow. They are essential in many mechanical and plumbing systems. Every valve has several parts. The main components are 1. Body, the main part that contains all other components. 2. Seat, a surface inside the body that comes in contact with the valve's moving part to create a seal. 3. Disc, the part that opens or closes against the seat to control flow. 4. Stem, connects the disc to an external control mechanism. 5. Actuator, a device that operates the stem and disc manually or automatically. Now, let's talk about valve assembly. It refers to the process of putting together all the parts of a valve. This includes fitting the seat, attaching the disc, connecting the stem, and setting up the actuator. Valve assembly is crucial because a properly assembled valve ensures efficient and safe control of flow in a system. It's also helpful to know some common types of valves. 1. Ball valve, uses a spherical disc to control flow. 2. Gate valve, uses a flat gate to open or close the flow. 3. Butterfly valve, has a disc that rotates around a central axis. 4. Check valve, allows flow in one direction only. I hope this video has helped clarify the concept of valve assembly. Understanding such technical terms can be challenging, but it's a great way to enhance your English vocabulary and technical knowledge. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.